Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video in the code mode. So in this video we are going to discuss about Promise.allSettled, and I am going to follow this article from the code mode. So basically promise concept is the same and we are going to implement in TypeScript, and let's start the code. So first of all I am going to create a function, async function fetch data from sources. It will return a string data from sources. Let's create another function with the name of fetch data from source B. In this, we will return a promise. With an error message, and I'm going to add a delay with the help of set timeout, and we are going to set the time to seconds and return an error. And the third function with the name of fetch data from source C. In this function I will just return a string. So let's create another function that will fetch the data from all these sources. And we are going to use promise.allSettled here. Promise.allSettled will return response when all of the promises either they are fulfilled or rejected. I'm going to use for each to control the data from all of these. In this if block, we will console the success messages. In else block, we will console the error messages. Now let's call this function. When I run this file, it will return an error, and that's because of this. As you can see, do you need to change your target library? So we have to add and update a configuration file. Let's add a configuration file. And in this file, we are going to paste some configurations. Let's build it again. Alright, this time it's successfully built and we can see a promise all.js. Now we can run that file with the help of Node. And here is the result from all three sources. That's all for this video. So if you want to see more interesting videos, please follow, share and subscribe this channel. Have a nice day.